Are you ready to dive into the fascinating history and exciting future of one of America's most iconic luxury cars? Today we're exploring the legacy of the Cadillac Eldorado and the innovative steps Cadillac is taking toward an electric future. Let's get into it. The Cadillac Eldorado is a name that resonates with luxury and prestige. Manufactured and marketed by Cadillac from 1952 until 2002, the Eldorado spanned 12 generations, each embodying the pinnacle of automotive elegance. The Eldorado often held the top spot in Cadillac's lineup. The original 1953 Eldorado convertible and the exclusive Eldorado Brougham models from 1957 to 1960 featured unique body shells and were the most expensive Cadillacs of their time. Until 1966, the Eldorado was second in price only to the Cadillac Series 75 limousine. From 1967 onwards, it maintained its premium status, produced in high volumes as a two-door personal luxury car. Fast forward to today, and Cadillac is once again making waves. Rumors are buzzing about Cadillac developing two future EV sedans under the IQ label. These sedans will be based on a revised Ultium architecture and could potentially replace or be featured alongside the CT4, CT5, and the CT6, which remains popular in China. However, there's no official word on the beloved Eldorado making a comeback, nor is there news of a new Cadillac coupe or convertible. Despite this, digital artists are having a field day imagining what a modern Eldorado could look like. Their visions are far from the V8-powered beasts of the past. Instead, these new designs focus on electric power, emphasizing eco-friendliness with zero local emissions. These digital renderings retain the classic Cadillac styling, featuring sharp edges and Art Deco-inspired motifs updated for the 21st century. The front showcases a prominent fake grille, slimmer headlights, and vertical LED daytime running lights, reminiscent of Cadillac's contemporary crossover SUVs. Looking ahead, Cadillac's EV lineup is set to expand significantly. We can expect to see the 2025 Optiq compact CUV produced in China, the 2024 Lyriq starting at $58,590, the 2026 Vistiq 3-row midsize crossover SUV, and the flagship 2025 Escalade IQ and 2024 Celestiq. There you have it, a glimpse into the rich history of the Cadillac Eldorado and the electrifying future of Cadillac's lineup. What do you think about the possibility of an all-electric Eldorado? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.